Zachary, what's this? Ready? He opened his mouth.
I can't see.
What do you think? Do you like it? Just go sit up. How is it? Want to try again? Zachary. Zachary. What do you think? He's trying to get more of it. He likes it. Do you like it? You want to try another bite? What's this? Does it little munch mouth? Numbers.
Is this good?
Is it good?